So this is a Bissell Powerforce bagless machine that seems to be in pretty good condition cosmetically, but we have an issue. It's plugged in and we have nothing on the power. So one of two things is the culprit here. Either you're just flat out not getting power to the switch due to a loose or fallen off connection, or the switch itself is bad. I will say that these vacuums are far from the best vacuums you can buy. However, at the price point they originally were, and definitely compared to what they have now that they're charging basically the same amount of money for, these are a lot better than what they currently offer. But as I said, that's not really saying all that much. So what we're going to have to do is flip the machine over, and before I do that, I'm going to remove the accessories that are going to be in the way, because now we're going to have to remove the base plate, the brush roll, and I'll probably take the wheels off too, just because. One thing that I do like about these is they are excruciatingly simple. There's really not much to them. If you've never taken apart a vacuum before, there's not much of a learning curve. They're possibly the simplest vacuum that you could have bought. Even simpler than an Auric in many ways. At least that's just my general opinion. But 4 screws, sole plate removes, and there's the brush roll, which that's still good. It's not as quiet as I would like it to be, but it's not bad. Now the belt, which the belt's still good, so we'll save that. And as I said, pull the wheels out just because. And then you have 2 screws on each side that will remove. Make it a little bit easier. Go ahead and pull these out. Probably should have done that first, but whatever. Pull this off. What's nice about this one is it's got the nicer hose on it, so we should be able to just pull this thing out now. There we go. You guys can just kind of tell how chintzy this thing is just by how it sounds. There we go. So just set that aside because there's screws still in it. So we have our switch, which is right back here. I guess what we can do first is patch into the motor, see if the motor itself is still good. Maybe the issue is the motor, actually. So the brush, I just noticed this because I was looking in there, the brush isn't even contacting the armature. So I've got to find a replacement screw for this thing. I don't even know if that is the issue completely, but I mean, it's possible it is. So I found a screw that'll actually work. Make sure that I'm putting this back together correctly. There's that. Really don't know if that is going to solve anything, but let's at least throw this back on for safety. Still nothing. That's unfortunate. I mean, it's kind of a giveaway when they almost freewheel like that. They're not supposed to spin that freely. You guys can see the difference. I might have a spare motor that'll work with this. We'll have to see. So here's a replacement motor from that other vacuum. So what I'm going to do is just have a quick look at everything. So this one is going to the cord. Cut that right quick. I'm going to splice in a new connection. Good and tight. Now just to do the other one that goes to the switch. Actually, what I can probably do is just replace the switch altogether. So we'll keep this switch with this machine. Black wire first. There we go. Reseat the switch. Reroute the wires. Don't really want to put a whole lot of tension on these. All right. Let's see if this lines back up. So let's see if she works. There it is. Not bad.